In this video, we're going to summarize the process in finding rate of change and interpreting what it means. So whenever you hear the word rate of change, either by reading or just hearing somebody talk about it, rate of change is slope. Okay, it's the same as slope. Why do they call it rate of change? The only reason is because now we're talking about real world scenarios. So now you don't want to use the word slope because it makes no sense in real world. But if you say the rate of change, you can easily translate that to something is changing at a certain rate. So that's literally why it's called rate of change. But it's still calculating slope. It's still, like the previous video, finding your rise over run, your change of y over change of x, and your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you just gotta pick a way to be able to calculate that slope. All right, so here's an example. Here they give you a chart, Houston Astros tickets, average price throughout the years. Okay, this is the price. So find the rate of change of the prices from 2006 to 2008. So we're looking at the years, we're looking at 2006 and 2008, from this year to that year. How many years was that? Well, from 2006 to 2008, that was 2 years. Okay, so just know that your change across is 2, because that's how many years. Now, up, the change up is here. It starts at 26.66 according to that, and then the other one is right here at 28.53. Let me highlight that to make it more obvious. So we're looking at that section right there. Okay, so then if we're looking at how much it changed up, well, we can kind of calculate it, but it'll be more exact if we use the calculator. So what we really want to do is just find the difference between the y's over the difference of the x's. So if we use the calculator, we want to just kind of stick into organizing your thoughts into finding the difference of the y's, which is 28.73 minus 26.66. And then in the bottom of this formula will be your x's. So when the y was 28.73, what was our x? We can just say 8 for 2008. And then we do 6 for 2006. Okay, so we do the math here. We're going to do 28.73 minus 26.66. I'm doing it in my calculator over here. So the top number ends up as 2.07. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2.07 divided by 2. That gives you about 1.035 as your m. Okay, so that's calculating it. Now what about interpret? Because that's something else that you also need to do. So for interpretation, you have to remember that this is how much you found it to be per year. So you can just say that the price changes at a rate of change, with the rate of change of $1 and I guess 3 cents, because it's 1.035 per year. So this is the interpretation of the scenario. If you have any questions, please let me know. Drop a comment and I can clarify it in the comments or make a different video with more examples. All right, have a good one.